In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to choose between Webflow and Framer. With so many options out there for building websites, it can be a challenging decision to find the right platform to suit your needs. Today, we'll break down the essential features and differences between Webflow and Framer, so you can make the most informed choice for your next project. Let's start with ease of use. Webflow has a moderate learning curve, which means it might take some time to get fully comfortable with its interface and capabilities. However, once mastered, it offers a comprehensive suite of tools that many users find empowering. On the other hand, Framer is known for being easier to learn, making it an attractive option if you're looking for a platform that you can quickly get up to speed with. When it comes to design flexibility, Webflow is renowned for its very high level of control over design elements. This makes it a favorite among designers who want to push the boundaries and create unique, custom experiences. Framer also offers a high degree of design flexibility, although it might not reach the extensive capabilities Webflow provides. This is something to consider if highly detailed design is a top priority for your project. Next, let's talk about content management systems, or CMS. Webflow comes equipped with a powerful and scalable CMS that can handle content-heavy sites with ease. This is ideal for businesses and agencies that require a robust system for managing large volumes of content. Framer, while offering a simpler CMS solution, might be more suitable for smaller projects or portfolios where a complex CMS isn't necessary. Animations can bring a dynamic, engaging quality to your website, and both platforms excel here in different ways. Webflow offers advanced interactions and animations, providing you with the tools to create intricate and sophisticated animations that can elevate your site. Framer, on the other hand, shines with its excellent built-in animations that are easy to implement. SEO is another crucial factor to consider. Webflow provides advanced SEO controls that allow businesses to optimize their site for search engines effectively. Framer offers good SEO features as well, making it a competitive choice if your primary focus is strong online visibility. For those interested in e-commerce, Webflow provides built-in features tailored for online stores. This makes it an efficient option for those looking to establish or expand their online retail presence. Framer has limited e-commerce support, so it might not be the best fit if e-commerce is central to your website. Custom coding can enhance your site's functionality, and Webflow offers extensive support in this area. If you're a developer or have access to one, this flexibility can be invaluable. Framer does support code, but with less flexibility compared to Webflow. Both platforms also offer strong team collaboration features, ensuring that multiple people can work seamlessly on a project. Additionally, AI features are becoming an increasingly important part of web design. Webflow is gradually expanding its AI tools, whereas Framer offers strong AI-powered site generation capabilities. So to wrap up, if you're a business, agency, or need a platform for content-heavy sites, Webflow might be your best bet. Alternatively, if you're looking to create landing pages, startups, or portfolios, Framer could be the ideal choice. Each platform has its unique strengths, and the decision of which to use ultimately depends on your project's specific needs and goals.